Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for another Dollar Tree DIY. We are going to have fun. I asked what you guys were looking for in your DIYs. Somebody said they wanted white, so I'm like, I could do white. So I have the cutting board. I have one of these little guys, the little crates. I have a couple of these little hooks. This is all from the Dollar Tree. And I have some chalkboard tags. And then I have some black and white buffalo check ribbon. Of course, I have to use Arteza when I'm doing any type of painting. So I've got my Arteza acrylic marker. I also have my Arteza chalk marker. I said marker. This is a pack of paint. So I'm going to go ahead, and what we're going to do, we're going to start off by painting the pieces that we need, which is going to be this guy here. So I'm literally going to put that paint right on here. And I'm only going to do the 3 sides. So I'm trying to make it fairly quick. If I need to stop this, I will definitely will. But I am definitely not worried about the paint getting anywhere. I just want this to be kind of rough. I'm not doing farmhousey. I just want this white to match up with the other white. So I'm just going to kind of put this all on there. And you'll see that you won't be seeing the outside of the, or the back side. That will be up against the cutting board. So anything that goes in those little holes, they can be painted on the inside because I will be painting the inside as well. So we're painting all except that back side there. And I've got plenty of paint on here. We're going to just make sure we get it all over. We're going to get the bottom as well because you don't know. It depends on where you're going to be hanging this stuff. Right? So I'm just going to get all in there. So I would love, I'm not fast forwarding this. I was thinking about it and I'm like, no, as soon as I started painting, I thought this is going to go fairly quick. And I definitely have questions for you guys. So my question is, what did you guys do for New Year's? Did you stay in? Did you go out? I think I told you guys. Well, somewhere along the way, I got really messy and my video shut off. So I wanted to show you the finished result because I sat there and kept on talking and talking, and believe me, we had a great time. So let me show you the finished product, and this is what it is. Can you see it? Isn't that so cute? You can hang your keys on here. You can hang a mask in your keys. You can put your wallet in here. So I think this is going to be so cute hanging on the door as you walk in. And so you have a place to put everything. So, all right, beauties. I'm so sorry this cut off. But as you can see, I did use all my stuff I wrote with the Arteza chalk marker, the word love here. And then I used that ribbon to wrap that around. And then I used the ties from the chalkboard tags to create that little bow. And then we'll just hang it right with here. And I love it. I think it is adorable. I hope you guys like it as well. I did talk about maybe putting some hearts right here. Those little wooden hearts, maybe painting those black or leaving them red. But for me, I like it just as it is. There will be some color as I put my little to-go wallet right in there. All right, beauties. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. Bye!